This is a fiberglass chassis, and we're gonna be putting this on this Arma Notorious. So this fiberglass chassis, it's about 4 millimeters thick. It's a bit flimsy right now, but hopefully with the bracing in the Notorious, it should stiffen it up, and we are gonna be testing this chassis in this video, so stay tuned. All right, so now we're gonna weigh it. So we're gonna do grams. So this is a stock aluminum chassis, 70/75, 3 millimeters thick. This weighs in 311.5 grams. So it's a ton of weight for this aluminum chassis, and the thing that you want for an RC car is to make it as light as possible. All right, so now this fiberglass chassis, this weighs in 227.4 grams. So that's a crazy amount of weight savings. But if you guys want me to do this carbon fiber chassis on it, I already have the sketch ready for it. But make sure to subscribe, to stay tuned, because we are going to be definitely doing it. Definitely going to be lighter. So also, if you guys see it, Arma always does this chassis thing for their steering, but it has like a little lip right here, so it's kind of lifted. On this one, it doesn't have it. It's flat. So that's why I created this. It's going to go right here. It's going to lift up the front end just to have the same thing as this one. So little kick up in the front, and I made my own. Let's install this thing, dude. If you guys want me to do definitely more videos of these RC experiments, definitely comment down below. This is like the world's first fiberglass chassis that we're going to be testing out. Here you go. That's the rear end on. Look at this, guys. Hell yeah, dude. Can't wait to testing out. All right, we're going to put the front one on now. It's a center module in. So now, oh God, look at the battery. Okay, now we're going to put, I think, the ESC in the battery tray. All right. Everything's on. Oh, do you know what I just forgot? Center shafts. Oh, finally, after like a few minutes, I finally managed to put the drive shaft back in. We managed to do it, dude. Oh my God, look at this. Look at that, guys. So this is a whole fiberglass chassis. All right, so now, since everything's plugged in, the moment of truth would have powered up. I mean, obviously it's gonna power up, but would it move? Here's fine. Whoa! Okay. All right. Well, that's the first start, and the chassis survived. Oh. Already a screw came out. Oh, another one. Starting to back out. Just on that, it'll crash. Uh-oh. I don't know. It's gonna be easier with my hand. Okay, it's at 0. It weighs 13.7 pounds. I think the stock weighed 15 pounds. So about 2 pounds lighter. So definitely, with this, it's definitely heavier. All right, so now the only thing to do is to go test it out, go give it a rip. All right, guys, so we made it here. Just a simple location. We're not gonna go, hopefully we don't break it out, dude, because to be honest, my thoughts on this is that I think it might split in half on mid-air. Maybe like when you're in the air, it might like split open or something. I don't know, but I don't know. That's the whole point about this video. We are going to be experimenting this fiberglass chassis. I mean, it's so far it seems really solid. There's like no flex at all, which I really like, but I don't know who sees. I mean, we'll see about the durability. I have no bumper, you guys can see, because of that lip that I mentioned, you guys. But enough talking. I think it's time to test this fiberglass, the world's first fiberglass RC chassis test. Who knows, this might be a game changer. All right, let's go. I'm hoping this thing doesn't get chewed up. I'll put it back here. All right, I'm low-key pretty excited but nervous at the same time. I mean, it runs and everything. Oh my god. I mean, it still does its thing, you know, but the thing I'm nervous about is the chassis. Oh, yeah. First crash, little cartwheel. So far so good. Then that bump on the all right, first big jump here. Okay, so far so good. Okay, oh, what is that? I don't think it's part of it, right? Oh, it's my thing. It's this. Oh. Oh, what the? You saw that body? Dude, I'm surprised it's lasting this long. Especially with all the weight. So with all the weight, I thought it would have been game over, but with the chassis bracelet, I think it's helping it a lot. We're gonna do a few more jumps to see how it holds. Oh, I lost my hour. Oh. Oh, no way! Oh, no way! Check that out! $720. What the heck? All supercars, a bunch of supercars. I just heard it like popping now, noises. Oh, damn. So far, it's lasting. Dude, I'm like really surprised about this. Like, I don't know how it's lasting this long. Oh, jumper cable again. I saw that midair. Hey, okay, but that was the durability on my wing, the chassis. The chassis is holding it again, guys. It's taking it. Oh, the body mounts didn't take it. Damn, what? That's my first time ripping a TPU part. Look, damn. Oh, both of them in the back too. In the rear broke too. So about my thoughts on this, to be honest, I did not think this was gonna last these jumps. But I actually really like it, you know? It's something different. It's the world's first fiberglass chassis, and it held up with some pretty good abuse. But I am gonna do a different video on it, doing a durability test. I'm pretty sure you guys want to see how strong it is, how much it could take, if it's stronger than aluminum, the stock chassis, which I don't think it is, because the aluminum is way stronger, especially the 7075. But who knows? We've never tested it before, the world's first fiberglass one. So the only thing I'm gonna do is fit longer screws so I can hold the ESC in place, get the strap to hug the battery more, and organize this stuff, because like it's all flimsy. But overall, guys, if you guys loved it, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and God loves you guys. Peace.